Hi guys, today we are going to go straight in with a Cookie Monster. I hope you're excited about the Sesame Street film coming out in 2022. Here is what we're going to do. A basic shape that we always start with. Always start with the basic shape of where we're going to draw. It just maps out exactly where we are going to draw. Those circles are going to go on top. Don't have to be perfect. Rub out lines you don't want. Simple as that. I'm going to do a little line like this. It looks a bit like a big cookie, that one there. I'm going to push that under there and then just mark out where the mouth is going to be. So it looks a little bit like a talking cookie, like hello, but it's not going to be that. This is going to be Cookie Monster, as you well know. How easy is that? Just like these are like a scribble, and it looks just like fur in a drawing. Follow those along. If you want to slow that down, feel free. If you want to pause, we can just do a few more like that. Really, just to slow it down a little bit. It's just those lines, down and stop, down and stop, down and stop, down and stop. It really looks like fur. It's a very effective technique. I'll do one like that as well. And we've got basically a Cookie Monster there already. The Cookie Monster's eyes do not go in the same direction always, so I'm going to give them slightly wonky ones on that one, which I quite like. And then his body. Oh no, that's too much, isn't it? See, this is why we do a pencil stage, not straight in with our inky pens. Down like this for his neck, moving into his shoulders. Does he have shoulders? What I'm going to do here is a sausage. Sausage right there, and we're going to do exactly the same as we did before. This technique coming up to the top and down again. Same on this side. I am going to just separate these slightly because he has got fingers, unlike some other characters that we do on this channel. And a rough showing of a cookie. You can fill that in at your inking stage though and make it look more cookie-like. Cookies. Me like cookies. Well, we all like cookies. Who doesn't like cookies? Anyway, that's your basic Cookie Monster shape there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to ink it. You can do it with your pen or on a tablet if you've got one. I'm going to do it on the tablet. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it right now over here. So here's our drawing, magically over on another screen. Starting with the eyes right at the top there. Did a little wrong line there, but we'll sort that out in a minute. So obviously the eyes are facing in slightly different directions. That's very important with Cookie Monster. They're very rarely facing the same way, which makes him so adorable. There we go, it's going around his little furry fingers now. He's holding a couple of cookies, which is probably his favourite position to be in, I would have thought. I haven't asked him. Maybe I should. Anyway, so yeah, adding a little bit of fur in there, some little W's in there to really make it look furry, and then some details on the cookies. And I think we're nearly ready to move to the colouring stage at this point. Here he is in black and white beauty. There we go, so colour him all in this lovely colour blue that he is in his fur. Big white eyes. Lovely. Fill him in with a nice black. There we go. He's looking like Cookie Monster already, isn't he? We'll just obviously fill in his mouth with a nice black colour. That's the abyss into which all those cookies are going to disappear. He is looking kind of furry still. Those the more of those little W and M lines that you do, those little curvy ones, I think the more furry he's going to look. So feel free to put a lot more of those in your drawing if you're following along. So the cookies now, it's got to put a bit more detail on them, give them a bit more depth, a bit of shadow, and obviously pop in the chocolate chips because that's integral to any cookie, I think. A few highlights at the top, a few shadows underneath. I put a big round shadow in this one. That's it, just over there, gives it a bit more depth. If you try using darker colours at the bottom of your pictures and lighter at the top, it can give them more depth as well. I'm putting a bit more shadow in mine. And I think we're pretty much there. There's Cookie Monster. He's enjoying his cookies. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.